Hey, Sunday. You always cook bacon and eggs on Sunday.
Not anymore. Come have a seat. Remember what we said about your cholesterol? We said you were going to try to eat healthier.
You said that, I didn't. I like bacon and eggs.
Well, I got something new at this grocery store. I think you're really going to like it.
Oh, honey, you know I don't like it. Jesus, that smells like shit.
It is shit. Cat shit, to be precise.
You don't have a cat.
I know, silly. I found it at the store. It's frosted cat turds.
That's right, Frosted Cat Turds. Loaded with 9 essential vitamins and minerals, Frosted Cat Turds is made from actual feline excrement and top-of-the-line premium cat litter. Each parcel of poo is amply coated in an artificial sugar substance to give a zip that's out of this world. Yes, Frosted Cat Turds. Chocked with enough shitty sweetness, you'll be begging for more. Pick up your box at your local grocer or food market. Warning, may cause shaking, headaches, temporary blindness, intestinal cancer, diarrhea, uncontrollable vomiting, anal rashes, or severe colon damage.
Good shit, huh?
You bet your sweet ass it's Frosted Cat Turds.